Tracy Adventures, A Day at the Carnival. Enter the carnival. The circus has come to town, and Tracy is so excited. When it is her turn at the ticket counter, she digs in her shell for her ticket. She hands it in and receives a map of the park. She can't wait to look at all the attractions and make a plan to visit all of the games, rides, and food stands she has heard about, and she wants your help. Use your knowledge of the coordinate system in Tracy's grid world to help her plan out her day at the carnival. Here are a few reminders to get you started. We can use the Go To command to send Tracy to a certain location in her world. Remember that Tracy lives in a grid world. The center of Tracy's world is at coordinate 0, 0. The top right corner of her world is at X coordinate 200 and Y coordinate 200. If we move all the way down to the bottom right corner of her world, we'll be at position 200 in the X direction and negative 200 in the Y direction. Similarly, the bottom left corner of her world is at negative 200, negative 200, and the top left corner of her world is at negative 200, 200. Let's use this information to help Tracy plan out her day at the carnival.